Okay folks, I've just removed and put back my removable section for the first time. Cut track here and rail joiners here that slide backs and forwards. So let's just try the train. There's the test train. Let's get to the controller and turn her on. And let's go relatively slowly and see how she does. I'm going deliberately slowly here. Let's see what's happening. Looking good, looking good. Now we're heading up to the other section. This is actually a slight uphill grade, by the way, which is why it's going slowly. Let's see how well it goes over the sawn section. Yeah, it looks like we're doing fine. Let's just speed things up a little bit, shall we? Yay! It's working!